over there and watching my lecture. We are now a family of 118. Yes, I am happy that PRITHYA Classroom has got 117 subscribers while recording this video. Okay, let's get started. In today's lecture, we are going to solve example problems on decimal fractions. Okay, let's get started. First example we are going to see on decimal to vulgar fraction. Okay, are you all ready, guys? Good. Let's solve the example problem. This is our very first scenario. Let's quickly recap how to convert decimal into a vulgar fraction. Okay, for numerator, what we have to do? We have to form a number with all the digits minus non-repeating digits. Okay, we have to minus all the digits, number formed by all the digits by the number formed by all non-repeating digits. Okay, how to form the denominator? Denominator is nothing but a number formed by 9 and zeros. How many 9s we have to put? That is nothing but the number of repeating digits, which will be followed by the number of zeros as that of the number of non-repeating digits. Are you all clear? Okay, let's solve an example problem. This is our very first example problem expressed as vulgar fraction 0.1254 and 2.536. In one example problems we have 0 point something, and in the second problem we have one number 2 point something. Okay, let's quickly solve both the example problems. Now 0.1254, right? Okay, how to solve this? 0.1254, 1 minute. 0.1254. Here 5 and 4 are repeating digits. Okay, are you all ready? We have to convert this decimal number in the form of vulgar fraction, that is numerator by denominator. Whatever the numerator will be equal to the number formed by all the digits after decimal point, that is 1254 minus the number formed by all the non-repeating digits after decimal point, that is 12. Good. Let's form the denominator. What is denominator? The number of 9s as it of the number of repeating digits, that is 5, 4, right? So 9, 2 digits, so we have to write 2 9s. Here, how many number of non-repeating digits are present? 2. Okay, now the number of zeros will be 2, right? Good. Okay, while simplifying this, we'll get 1254 minus 12, 1242 whole divided by 9900, which when simplified we will get 69 by 550. Hey, very good. We have completed solving one example problems, right? Okay, let's solve the second section of this same. What is the question? Here the question is 2.536 bar. Here 6 is the only repeating digit, whereas 2 and 5 and 3 are non-repeating digits. Okay, now we can write this 2.536 bar as 2 plus 0.536 bar, isn't it? Good. Now we are going to convert this decimal into vulgar fraction. Then we are going to come again here and we are going to write in the form of 2 plus 1 fraction. That is nothing but in the form of mixed fraction, which can again be converted into improper fraction, or we can leave as such. Okay, good. Let's get started. Here the number is 0.536 bar, and we can write in the formula of numerator by denominator, which is equal to the whole number formed by all the digits 536 minus the number formed by only non-repeating digits 53, whole divided by the number of nines as rate of number of repeating digits, that is only 1. So we have only 1 9 here, and the number of zeros as rate of the number of non-repeating digits. Here 2 digits are non-repeating, so we have to write like 900. Okay, which when simplified we will get 483 whole divided by 900. Both the numbers are divisible by 3, so again we can write this as 161 whole divided by 300. Now we can write here in this box 161 whole divided by 300. Okay, we have successfully converted this decimal number into fraction. Good. Right? Okay, let's get into the next problem based on arranging the fractions in descending or ascending order, increasing order or decreasing order. Okay? Good. How to do that? We have only 2 steps. In the very first step, what we have to do, we have to find the decimal value or equivalent value for that fraction. Then in the second step, we have to compare the values of the decimal numbers that we have obtained from the given fractions, and we have to arrange it in such a way in the way in which the question is asked to. I mean, if we are asked to arrange in ascending order, we have to do it in the ascending or descending. Okay, let's go with the one example problem. Arrange in descending order 3 by 5, 9 by 11 and 8 by 9. 3 by 5 is equal to 0. Okay, 3 by 5 can be written as 0.6. 9 by 11 can be written as 0.818. Good. Then 8 by 9 can be written as 0.88. Okay. Observing this, can you tell me which is the greatest number? Because we are going to arrange in the descending order or decreasing order. So we have to write the biggest number first, right? Okay. What is the first biggest number of 3 values? 0.88, right? Okay. This is the second biggest number and this is the third biggest number. Okay. When we write it in this, we have to arrange it in the descending order, right? Okay. What is the descending order? 8 by 9 greater than 9 by 11 greater than 3 by 5. Good. We have successfully solved. Let's get into the next problem. Product and quotient of decimal numbers. We have already learned how to find the product and how to find the quotient for decimal numbers. Okay, let's solve some example problems for better understanding. Okay, find the product of 0.2 into 0.02 into 0.002 into 20. Okay, what is the step? Forget about the decimal point and just take out the number, find the product, and at the end count how many decimal places are there in total. You have to count all the decimal places in the older numbers. Okay, then we have to keep the decimal point. Okay, let's make it clear by solving one example problem. Here 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 20 160. So the required number is 160. Okay. Now we have to keep decimal point, right? Let's count how many decimal places are there in total. Okay. In 0.2, 1 decimal place. In 0.02, 2 decimal place. 0.002, 1, 2, 3, right? Okay. In 20, no decimal point. So it is 0. In total, there are how many decimal places? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. I'm sorry. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6, right? Okay. Then 1. Let's count from the left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we do not have enough space, what we have to do? We have to add 0 in the right hand side. Okay. Here our number is 160, right? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So the answer is 0.000160. Okay. Clear? Good. Let's get into the next example problem. Find the quotient. Okay. 0.0024 whole divided by 17. In this case, how to solve? What we have to do? We have to forget about the decimal point and do the normal division. Okay. 204 whole divided by 17, which is nothing but 12. Okay. Now the answer is 12. Now how to keep the decimal point in this case? The number of decimal digits of the quotient is nothing but the number of decimal digits of the numerator. Okay. Here how many decimal places are there? 4, right? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Since we have only two digit number as a quotient, we have to add 2 zeros in front and then we have to keep decimal point. Okay. Good. Here is one more problem. Given 21,693 into 14 is equal to 303702. Okay. They have provided the product. We are asked to find 2.1693 into 1.4 is equal to what? In order to solve this, what we have to do is very simple, right? They have already given the product. We just want to count the decimal places in the given numbers and then we have to keep it in the product. That's all. This is our job, right? Okay. Let's count. Here there are 4 decimal places and here there is only 1 decimal place. In total we have 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 decimal places, right? Okay. We have to count from the right hand side? No, left hand side, right? You all alert. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to keep the decimal point here. I mean 3.03702 is the required answer. Good. Okay. I believe that you have terribly enjoyed this class and you all very interested in learning aptitude. So comment below if you have any suggestions in my teaching method or if you have any doubts, and subscribe to PRITHYA Classroom and share to the one in need of it. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next class with practice problems. Okay.